Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 5 power x equals x power 625. We are solving for the value of x that satisfies this equation. So, what we are going to do will be to eliminate this x. I have 5 power x. In order to eliminate this x, I raise this to the power of 1 over x. And this equals x power, I have 625. And I also raise this to the power of 1 over x. Now, if you have a power n raised to the power of n equals a power n times n. I multiply this, I have 5 to the power of x times 1. This is x divided by x equals x power 625 times 1. This is 625. And this is divided by x. So right here, x cancels x. So I simply have 5. And this equals x to the power of 625 divided by x. So from here, what I'm going to do will be to also eliminate the 625 here. So I will do that by multiplying the exponent by 1 over 625. So I have 5 to the power of 1 over 625 equals x power 625 divided by x. And this is to the power of 1 over 625. Now we go back to the same identity. You have a power x to the power of y equals a power x times y. So 625 times 1, that is 625. I will simply have 5 to the power of 1 over 625 equals x power 625 times 1. That is 625 divided by x times 625. That's 625x. So from here, let's cancel this. So I can simply have 5 to the power of 1 over 625 equals x power 1 over x. Now, what we have gotten is x here and x here, 5 here and 625 here. So let's ensure that this 5 and the 625 are the same. So what we are going to do is to consider this. I can express this as 5 to the power of 1 times 1 over 625. And this equals x power 1 over x. Now, this one here, I can express it as 5 over 5. So remember 1 equals 5 over 5. So what we are going to do is to replace this one with 5 over 5. So we'll have 5 to the power of 5 over 5 times 1 over 625 equals x power 1 over x. So from here, I need to multiply this out. 5 will multiply 1, that is 5, so I have 5 to the power of 5 divided by 5 times 625. 625 times 5. 5 times 5, 25. 5 carry over 2, 5 times 2, 10 plus 2, 12, 2 carry over 1. 5 times 6, 30 plus 1, 31. So this is 3125. And this equals x to the power of 1 over x. Now I can factor out the 5 from here. I have 5 power 5 times 1 divided by 3125. And this equals x power 1 over x. Now, if you have a power n times n equals a power n to the power of n. So from here, you apply it here. And you have 5 to the power of 5 raised to the power of 1 over 3125. And this equals x power 1 over x. So, you need to find the value of 5 to the power of 5. This equals 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. 25, 1 to 5. 125 times 5, 625 times 5, this is 3125. 3125 raised to the power of 1 divided by 3125 equals x power 1 over x. Now, having gotten this, we consider this identity. If you have a power 1 over a equals b power 1 over b, then you have 1 over a equals 1 over b. You can cross multiply a times 1, a equals b times 1, b. So that means a equals b. So if you have 1 divided by 3125, and this equals 1 divided by x, I can cross multiply, have x equals 3125. So that is it. That's our answer. Our x is 3125. The next step will be to check by inserting this particular value for x. So we have 5 to the power of x equals x power 625. And our x is 3125. So we substitute this for x here. We have 5 power 3125 equals 3125 to the power of 625. So right now, we want this and this to be the same. So I have 5 power 3125 equals this 3125 here is the same thing as having 5 to the power of 5. Remember, we said 5 to the power of 5 is 3125. So this raised to the power of 625. And if you have a to the power of x raised to the power of y is equals a power x times y. So we need to multiply this out. Of 625 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So we have 5 pi over 2. 5 times 2. 10 plus 2, 12. Pi over 1. 5 times 6, 30 plus 1, 31. So this is also giving us 3125. We have 5 power 3125 equals 5 to the power of s also 3125. Left hand side and right hand side are the same. Alright, so this shows that our answer is correct. So guys, that is it. That is it. Even at this point here, if you also want to convert this to 3125, you can do it. Remember, 3125 is 6255. So what I will do is I will just replace this with 625 times 5. And from here, I will raise this 5 to the power of 5 and raise it to the power of 625. This will give me 5 power 5 to the power of 625. And this equals 3125 to the power of 625. So 5 power 5 is 3125. You have 3125 to the power of 625. And this equals 3125 to the power of 625. So you can as well convert this to this. Anyhow you want to do it, it depends on you. So guys, that is it. When the answer is correct, you can do it as you want. Goodbye.